The 2026 Toyota X van is a bold new take on the multi-purpose van, combining modern style, premium comfort, and impressive performance. From the very first glance, it makes a strong impression with its sleek, refined design. The front features a wide, confident grille framed by sharp LED headlights, while smooth, aerodynamic lines run along the body for a clean, sophisticated look. In pristine white, it radiates a premium feel that works just as well for family trips as it does for executive transport. The rear is equally eye-catching, with stylish LED taillights, a wide tailgate for easy access, and refined curves that give it a contemporary edge. Chrome accents and large alloy wheels add a touch of luxury, while its sturdy stance and elevated ground clearance hint at its capability for different road conditions. Inside, the 2026 Toyota X van delivers the kind of comfort and versatility you expect from a high-end van. The cabin is spacious and thoughtfully designed, with plush leather seats that provide excellent support for long drives. Flexible seating configurations make it easy to switch between passenger and cargo space. The dashboard is sleek and intuitive, featuring a large digital instrument cluster and a crisp, high-resolution infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced navigation. Ambient lighting gives the interior a relaxing, upscale vibe, and conveniences like wireless phone charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium audio system make every trip enjoyable. A panoramic roof floods the space with natural light, while large windows give passengers excellent visibility and an airy feel. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota X van is engineered to deliver smooth, efficient, and reliable performance. Its powertrain offers a strong balance of acceleration and fuel economy, while Toyota's refined suspension ensures a comfortable ride on both highways and city streets. Safety is a top priority, and the X van comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only make driving safer but also reduce stress on the road. Stability control and responsive braking give drivers confidence in all kinds of driving conditions. Pricing for the 2026 Toyota X van will depend on trim levels and options, but it's expected to be competitive within the premium van segment. Considering the build quality, luxury features, and Toyota's legendary reliability, it offers strong value for buyers looking for a versatile, stylish, and dependable vehicle. Whether you need it for family adventures, corporate use, or long-distance travel, the X van is designed to deliver a premium driving experience. With its blend of modern design, advanced technology, and everyday practicality, the 2026 Toyota X van is set to become one of the most appealing new models in its class.